New tonight, 2 million Tennesseans have a COVID-19 vaccination, but only around 715,000 Tennesseans are fully vaccinated. The CDC shows Tennessee is among the states lacking in getting people vaccinated. News 2 State Capitol Newsroom reporter Gerald Harris continues our special report on the vaccine moving forward.
People have asked God for a miracle to move this virus out. Well, God has sent the miracle, the vaccine.
But while the vaccines are here, Tennessee is still among the bottom in getting shots into arms. According to the CDC data, Tennessee is only administering roughly 30,000 doses per 100,000 people. In the company of Texas, Georgia, Alabama, and Arkansas, all other states are exceeding 30,000 doses.
If you look at second vaccines, we're 12th in the nation, so we're pretty encouraged with the.
Governor Bill Lee attempted to defend the vaccination rates, but was not interested in taking questions, even though it's been more than 2 weeks since he answered questions here in Middle Tennessee.
I think it's trending in the right way.
Lieutenant Governor Randy McNally defended the administration, saying the COVID pandemic is showing signs of slowing down. He's content with where vaccinations are so far.
I think right now the plan's okay. I think with the third vaccine coming on the market, and it only requires one shot, that'll be helpful.
But the clock is racing to get as many people vaccinated, as Tennessee is only second behind Georgia in new daily cases compared to Mississippi, Arkansas, Kentucky, Alabama.
Hundreds of people are still dying every day from this.
Health professionals agree the only way out of the pandemic is vaccination, but some remain skeptical, including some African Americans, younger adults, and vulnerable communities. African Americans make up 8.74% of people being vaccinated in Tennessee. 71.06% of white Tennesseans are vaccinated.
You got to understand, you can't just think about yourself here. You got to think about others.
That's the same message Pastor Frank Stevenson is telling his congregation.
I have done many funerals over the last year, including individuals who have died from COVID-19. And if we can participate in moving the needle on these fatalities by becoming vaccinated, I think it's really important that we all do our part. It's really important.
As well as his students, Pastor Frank Stevenson is also Dean of Students at Tennessee State University. He says younger people must do their part, and when their time comes, get vaccinated.
I understand that they have been in a space where it's unfortunate to be young and not to be as vibrant as you would like to be, but I think we're going to get there if they would just hold out a little while longer.
Stevenson adds it's ultimately up to everyone to do their part in order to get past the virus. In Nashville, Gerald Harris, News 2.
Now, the state has opted to supply local health departments, clinics, and pharmacies with the vaccine shots to make it more convenient to schedule an appointment and get your shot in your area.